In part 1 of this series, we explored how to start your AI-powered YouTube channel from zero. We talked about choosing your niche, we talked about picking your format, and we walked through how to create your very first video, even as a complete beginner. Today, in part 2, we're taking the next step. This video is about improving the quality of your AI YouTube videos, not with complexity, but with simple upgrades that anyone can apply. Let's begin. Your video doesn't begin inside the editor. It begins with the idea. A clear, simple idea creates a clear, simple script. And the clear script naturally turns into a clean, easy-to-watch video. The biggest mistake beginners make is choosing ideas that are too broad or too complicated. But YouTube doesn't reward complexity. YouTube rewards clarity. Here is the simplest beginner-friendly method. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Take a notepad and write down 10 simple topics you already understand well enough to explain. Topics like 3 beginner AI tips, how this AI tool works, 1 small automation you can use today, or common beginner mistakes. These ideas are easy to explain, and because they're easy for you, they'll be easy for your viewers. Good ideas don't have to be impressive, they just have to be clear. Once you have a solid idea, the next step is writing your script. And writing a script does not mean trying to sound smart. A good script is simple. A good script is clean. A good script is easy to follow. Here's a structure you can use immediately. Step 1. Tell viewers what they learn. 1 sentence, clear and short. Step 2. Tell them why it matters. Another simple sentence. Step 3. Break the topic into small steps. 1 idea at a time. Step 4. Add a tiny example where needed. Not a story, just a small moment to make the idea real. Step 5. End with a soft recap. This helps beginners remember. Your sentences should be short. Your words should be simple. Your tone should be calm and friendly. Write like you speak. Speak like you're teaching a complete beginner. Many beginners think better visuals means complex animations, but that's not true. For educational AI videos, simple visuals are almost always better. Clean visuals help viewers focus. Clean visuals feel professional. And clean visuals require less editing time. Here are the easiest visual upgrades. Use 1 consistent color palette. Use 1 font, clean and readable. Use simple transitions. Avoid visual clutter. Match visuals to the narration. If you're explaining steps, show numbers. If you're describing a tool, show the interface. If you're teaching a concept, use simple shapes. Your visuals don't need to impress. They just need to support your message. Audio is one of the most important aspects of your video. Viewers will forgive simple visuals, but they will not forgive messy or rushed audio. So what should beginners focus on? Use a natural sounding voice. Slow down your pacing. Add gentle pauses. Use soft, minimal background music. Keep volume levels consistent. A calm, warm voice builds trust, and trust keeps viewers watching. Your style isn't about logos or advanced branding. It's simply the feeling your videos give. Find your style by choosing 1 main color, 1 font, 1 type of animation, and keep everything minimal. Minimal visuals feel professional. Minimal visuals help viewers relax. Minimal visuals make your content recognizable. Thumbnails are the first impression your viewer gets, but they don't need to be complicated at all. Here is a thumbnail formula that works. Dark background, bright text, 3 to 4 words, one main icon. If a viewer can read your thumbnail in 1 second, it works. If they can't, simplify it. Pacing is what makes your video feel smooth. A calm pace helps viewers stay focused. Here's how to improve it. Use simple transitions like next or now let's look at. Give each idea space before moving on. Avoid switching visuals too fast. Add natural pauses in your script. Good pacing doesn't mean speaking slowly. It means speaking clearly. Structure helps beginners stay oriented. Use this simple template. What the viewer will learn, why it matters, small steps, one example, a short recap. A clean structure makes your video feel easier to follow. Examples turn ideas into understanding. They don't need to be long, just useful. Here's a quick example. This is what beginners often do. These steps may seem new, but they become easier. Tiny examples make big improvements. You don't need full storytelling. Just add small human moments. This confused me at first. Beginners often struggle here. That's completely normal. These short moments create connection. Smooth videos feel intentional. Use gentle transitions to guide your viewer. This brings us to another helpful point is, now let's continue. This avoids the choppy feeling many beginner videos have. Some ideas are easier to understand with simple symbols. A rising arrow for improvement, a gear for automation, a progress bar for learning. Minimal symbols make complex ideas simple. If you want a slightly longer, clearer video, extend your explanations naturally. Add a small example. Add 1 sentence of context. Add 1 sentence of reassurance. This adds value without adding fluff. You don't need to improve everything at once. Improve 1 thing per video. Script clarity, pacing, visuals, audio, thumbnails, and transitions. Small upgrades compound over time. As a beginner, focus on 3 metrics. Retention. If people leave early, fix your intro. CTR. If people don't click, simplify your thumbnail. View duration. More minutes watched equals more growth. These 3 numbers guide your content. The biggest challenge is pressure. Pressure to be perfect. Pressure to grow fast. Pressure to sound advanced. But your viewers don't want perfection. They want clarity. They want calm guidance. You are improving every time you create. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Your channel will grow. Improving your AI YouTube videos is simple. Clear pacing, clean visuals, soft structure, and consistent practice. If you want part 3, the monetization guide, just let me know. Thank you for watching.